There's a hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hadith of Tirmidhi, in the book of supplications, hadith number 3545. Once Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he climbs on a mimbar and he says, Ameen, Ameen, Ameen thrice. So the Sahabas, they ask him, that why have you said Ameen? So he says that Archangel Gabriel, he had come to him and he was saying that a person who does not have his sins forgiven in the month of Ramadan, then it is very sad for him and he shall not enter paradise. Say Ameen. Archangel Gabriel tells Muhammad, say Ameen. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeats Ameen thrice. Further, there's a hadith that is mentioned in Sahih ibn Hibban, in the book of fasting, hadith number 3438, where a person approaches the Prophet and tells him that I worship none but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I believe that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. I pray 5 times a day, I give zakat, and I fast in the month of Ramadan, and I stand in prayer. Who will I be amongst? What will be my reward? The Prophet said that you will be amongst the followers of the Prophet and the martyrs. That means you go to Jannah.